Hey guys, do you know that you can download any video from Facebook? Yes, it's possible. To do it, go to your Facebook application in your mobile phone. Search for any video there on Facebook. Choose any video that you need. Let me choose any video. Yes, let me choose the one. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, what you need is to click on share button here, on share button, and then click click on copy link here, on copy link. Yes, after copying the link, you need to go to any browser. Let me choose Chrome browser, and then in searching tab you write this fbdown.net. Okay, and then click on enter. Yeah, you see the first link, the first title. Click on it. Okay, they will see here. There you will need to paste the link that you've copied like this, and then click on download. Yeah, okay, then you have to wait for a while. Okay, you see here, I think that everyone is seeing here. See here, there are two phrases: download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality. Yeah, you will choose the best that you need, the one that you need. Okay, let me choose download in normal quality. Yeah, there you see here. Here, you will need to click in details, and there you can watch how it is being downloaded. Now it is being downloaded. Let me wait for it to finish. Yeah, okay, it's easy and fast. Yeah, okay, now it's going to finish. 39 MB are being downloaded. Don't worry. It takes a short time. Yes, now I finished. You can watch it anytime without activating mobile connection. Yeah, let me show you. I can watch it anytime without any mobile data connection. Yeah, can download many videos without any limit. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Thanks.